An animated woman in an orange sari chops tomatoes in a bright kitchen. A large saucepan bubbles on a stovetop beside her.
I just love to make my nani's dal for my family. It's a beautiful Gujarati recipe that's been passed down through our family for generations. Actually, similar to the steps in this recipe, the COVID-19 vaccine we have in New Zealand also follows a set of instructions.
Using a wooden spoon, she stirs the saucepan.
But, like our family dal recipes, there are also different approaches to develop vaccines. Let me help you to understand.
The fridge behind her is covered in brightly coloured alphabet magnets. A round magnet holds up a picture of a vaccine bottle.
See, vaccines protect us from an infectious disease by helping our body trigger an immune response. The vaccines for COVID-19 have been developed using 3 main approaches.
Magnets near the bottom of the fridge have a picture of the COVID-19 virus cell on them. A round magnet with the virus on it is labelled whole virus. A square magnet with a section of the virus cell shaded in darker is labelled just a piece. And a third rectangular magnet shows a DNA strand and is labelled genetic recipe.
Using either the whole coronavirus, a part of the virus, or some of its genetic code. Here in New Zealand, we've chosen the Pfizer vaccine.
The other magnets move away, leaving only the magnet with the DNA strand. Coloured alphabet magnets move in, spelling out mRNA.
This is a messenger RNA, or mRNA vaccine, which includes the genetic code for the spike protein of the coronavirus. The genetic code is like a recipe the body can use to make a version of the virus's spike protein.
A mint green circle appears beside the DNA magnet. It contains the words spike protein. A stream of letters file from the DNA magnet into the mint green circle. Orange-coloured T-shaped spikes appear in a ring around the circle's text.
Once our cells make this protein, our immune system responds to it.
The DNA magnet disappears and the spike protein circle moves into the middle of the screen. 3 blue, Y-shaped cells wearing little hard hats float around the mint green circle.
Learning how to fight the virus without us actually getting sick.
The blue antibody cells kick the spike protein magnet around until it falls off the fridge. The virus magnet takes its place.
The spike protein breaks down quickly and doesn't stay in our body, but our immune system remembers what to do.
The blue antibody cells kick the virus magnet around until it falls off the fridge.
The same way my brain knows this dal recipe off by heart.
A tick appears in a green circle above the 3 antibody cells.
That means that if we encounter the actual virus in future,
the woman in the orange sari holds up the DNA magnet.
Our body will know how to fight it off, because the vaccine taught it how.
She sits at a table with a teenager in a white t-shirt on her right and a smaller boy in a yellow t-shirt on her left. They eat from plates piled high with the rice and dal.
Like how my kids will know exactly how to make their great nani's dal, because I taught it to them.
Black text in front of a blue sky. Find out more, covid19.govt.nz/vaccinefacts. The logo for the New Zealand government, Te Kāwanatanga o Aotearoa. The black and yellow logo for Unite Against COVID-19. Mā tātou katoa e arai atu te.